Necessary nail art tools. Our magnetic nail tip display holders are necessary tools for nail salon, nail art school and nail art favors, suitable for beginners and salon artists. You can easily promote your nail art skills through repeating practicing nail artworks on this nail tips display holder. Have fun yourself and make beautiful manicure at home easily. Also a good choice to share with your friends and sisters. Magnetic design. Our acrylic nail display stands has designed with magnetic point under the display stand, which makes it easier to secure the acrylic base and iron pieces on the top of display stand. Provide your effortlessly operating and showing. Bring more fun to your nail art display and practice. Durable and firm. Our nail tip practice stands are made of quality plastic, acrylic and magnet, with sturdy structure and reliable material, not easy to break or deform, durable enough for your long-term using. Sweet gifts. Girls love nail art, so our practical nail art training stands will be sweet gifts for celebrating birthday, Valentine's Day, anniversary, festival and more. They will be cheerful surprise for your friend, girlfriend and families. Specific content. You will receive 6 sets nail display stands in 6 vibrant colors. Each set includes 5 pieces chest-shaped nail tips and 1 piece acrylic base, reusable and useful, adequate enough for your daily nail art practice or display demands. Top reviews from the United States. Love. Magnets are nice and strong and it holds so much better than another set I bought. These are just what I was looking for. Great value for the price, got 3 sets and there were 5 extra pieces included. Definitely will buy again.